Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Yazio app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Yazio and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.